Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cook fried chicken. Crisp, delicious, so delicious. Here are the ingredients of fried chicken. Today I'm going to use the chicken wings and the thigh. We'll be needing good salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We will also be needing a little bit of bouillon, eggs, flour, the Asian breadcrumbs, it's the best, and fresh milk, full cream milk. Okay, now the first thing to do is to season the chicken. First you'll put salt,
which we have in the mill because it's a bit coarse.
We put it in the mill so that it's more gamay-gamay. Okay, pepper, garlic powder. I like putting a lot of garlic powder. So if you don't have garlic powder, you can always use the fresh ones. A little bit of bouillon. Okay. Give it a quick toss. Okay. And you set it aside for 10 to 20 minutes. After setting it aside and let the salt, pepper, and garlic be absorbed in the meat, we will prepare the batter. So you will use for this 1.5 kilo, you'll be using like 2 to 3 medium eggs. Give it a whisk. You can add flour. So, see, when the consistency is a bit thick, but not very thick, it should be like this. If you want it to be crispy, it should not be watery. So you set it aside. But I like putting garlic powder in the butter to add extra flavor. And a little bit of pepper also. A little bit of salt. Okay, set it aside. Now for this chicken, I like putting a little bit of milk to make it tender. Just a little milk. Okay. Give it a good toss. You can always work wearing gloves, but I like just using my hands. Okay. Now let it sit for maybe another 10 minutes and we're ready to fry it. Okay, just before frying, you mix the batter with the chicken. There are also other ways, like you can dip the chicken into the batter and on the breadcrumbs just before frying. But I like it like this way. Just mix it. That it can be coated. So after this, you will dredge, is the right word, right? Dredge it on the...
I have no idea.
Like this. Just coat it evenly. So...
And then do it so in the oil, huh?
Yeah.
Or frying pan, or
the frying pan, but this time I'm using deep fryer to give it a very even color
and crisp.
And crisps. Now we're ready to fry.
I lowered the gun.
The temperature now is 180.
190 though.
Okay, I'll put the chicken here.
Preferably don't stack them.
Okay. See? You can put like 5. So you just do the rest of the chicken like that.
How long do you fry them?
Until golden brown. 10 minutes or so. It really depends on the fryer. For the deep fryer, I think only like 10 to 15. It also depends on the cut of the chicken.
And how crispy you want.
And how like brown you want it to be.
We'll see you later after
See you later.
the bite is okay.
So here is our finished product. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, and please do write a comment if you want us to cook something special for you. So yes, see you next time. Bye bye.
How to do.
Olivia, here's your dinner.